When you think of tiki drinks, what comes to mind? Well, for most people, tiki drinks are exotic and colorful rum-based concoctions with a sweet and often ambiguous flavor profile. They use spices, fruit juices, and the presentation, over the top. But there exist more modern tiki drinks that bend these rules and use more obscure ingredients. Well, obscure at least as far as tiki drinks go. Today we unpack the modern tiki classic, the Jungle Bird? Mr. Featherbottom? What's up everyone, it's Jeff and welcome back to Tiki Drinks at Home, the channel for the tropical drink enthusiast. So today we're going to go a little outside the normal tiki drink repertoire and talk about the Jungle Bird, a drink that is essentially tiki, but has really taken a few decades to gain traction around the world. So the origins of this drink can be traced back to Mr. Featherbottom, there you are. I was wondering if you're going to show up. Yeah, I'm sorry I haven't called. Things have just been crazy. All right, okay, hey, I said I was sorry. Okay, Mr. Featherbottom, there is no need to use language like that. All right. Well, I'm glad you stopped by because we were actually talking about your favorite cocktail. That's right, the Jungle Bird. And in fact, I was talking about the origins of the drink, which can be traced back to the 1970s in Malaysia, where it was given as a welcome drink to visitors of the Kuala Lumpur Hotel. In fact, the drink itself was created in the hotel aviary bar. Okay, Mr. Featherbottom, I don't think it's just a coincidence that both the drink and the bar are bird related. So what do you think, Mr. Featherbottom? Should we make the drink for everyone? Awesome, let's do it. So the Jungle Bird is one of the only true tiki cocktails that uses Campari in its list of ingredients. This drink is in a class all of its own, as it's very aperitif forward. And I'll be honest, the first time I had it, it took me a little by surprise, as I'm really used to the sweeter flavor profile which most tiki drinks have. But the Jungle Bird has really started to grow on me over the years. So if you've created a tiki-inspired drink that uses Campari, or you know of an official tiki drink that uses it, we'd love to know about it. Drop us a note in the comments below. So that'll do it for today. Until next time, my friends, keep your spirits high. That's right, and your cocktail glasses full. It's so great to see you again. How's your mom doing? Oh, really? That's crazy. You don't say.